the teen librarian at the Wichita Falls Public Library, here for Crafteen Tuesday. Today we will be making a no-sew toy for your dog or cat. For this craft, you will need 2 pieces of fabric. I have white and blue here, a heart template or any shape that you want to make the toy, scissors, tape, stuffing for the inside, and either a squeaker or a catnip depending on your pet. You will place your 2 pieces of fabric on top of each other and place your cutout template in the center. You're going to grab your tape and tape the template to the fabric. After you've done that, you're going to trim the edges of your fabric a little bit so you have a circle instead of a square shape. Make sure that you're cutting through both layers of the fabric when doing this. Alright, it's not a perfect circle, so if you do want it to be perfect, you can get a bowl or something and trace it and cut around that. But after you've cut a circular shape, you're going to cut about 1-inch strips along here. Again, make sure you're cutting through both pieces of fabric. And you're just going to cut until you hit the heart. Make sure that you don't cut the template if you're able to. Alright, so it should look similar to this, at least with the cut. And if you don't have a ruler with you, you can kind of use your thumb as an estimation of 1 inch between each strip. You're going to continue doing this until you've reached the first strip that you've done. Once you are done cutting, you will remove the template and start tying the 2 layers of strips together. It's okay if you need to realign your fabric a little bit afterwards. You're just going to grab a piece and knot it at the end. To make sure they're secure, you're going to want to double knot them. they'll look something similar to this, and you'll just continue doing the knots until you finish about 3/4 of the heart. Alright, we'll say that's about 1/4 left. So what we're going to do is start stuffing it. So you're going to put some of the stuffing in there first, and then depending on if you have a cat, we'll put in a little bit of the catnip, or in the middle you can put in a little squeaker toy. You want it full, but you don't want to overfill it. So I'm going to add the squeaker toy in the middle and add a little bit more stuffing in. Also going to flatten it out a little bit. Once you're done with that, you're going to tie the rest of the strips together. When you're done, since some of these are longer than others, you can trim the edges to make it look nicer. After you're done trimming, which I left some of them longer, I just didn't want any of them super long, you're done. We now have our toy for your cat or dog. We will have craft bags on the youth side of the service desk. Each bag will have a template, the stuffing, the fabric, the catnip, a squeaker toy, and instructions. I hope you guys enjoyed today's program, and I'll see you guys next time.